In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Text animations can instantly make your designs look more professional, more engaging, and more eye-catching, whether you're creating presentations, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or short-form videos. Canva makes this process incredibly simple, but most people don't use it to its full potential. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add, customize, and fine-tune text animations so your designs stand out. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Canva homepage, select a design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, an Instagram post, a video, or any custom design size. For this tutorial, the steps are the same no matter what type of design you choose. After your design opens in the editor, look at the left-hand side panel and click on the Text menu. This is where all your text options live, including headings, subheadings, body text, and pre-designed text styles. You can either add a new text box from here or select text that already exists on your canvas. Next, click on the specific text you want to animate. Make sure the text box is selected so Canva knows which element you're working with. Once your text is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This will open the animation panel where all the magic happens. Inside the Animate panel, you'll see a variety of animation styles you can apply to your text. Simply click on any animation to preview it instantly on your canvas. Canva will automatically apply the animation so you can see how it looks in real time. Feel free to click through multiple options until you find one that matches your style or project. Now here's a pro tip that many people overlook. If you're working on a presentation or video, you can control when the animation happens. In the animation settings, choose whether the animation should play on enter, on exit, or on both. This gives you much better timing control and helps your text appear and disappear exactly when you want it to during your presentation or video playback. Canva also offers suggested and featured animations. These are great if you're not sure which animation to choose, because they're designed to look clean, modern, and professional. Click on any of these suggested animations to apply them quickly, without overthinking the design. If you want to go even further, click on Add-on Effects to enhance your text animation. These effects allow you to add more visual flair and personality to your text, making it more dynamic and engaging. Just be careful not to overdo it, because subtle animations usually look more professional than overly flashy ones. Once you're happy with the animation, preview your design to see how the text flows with the rest of your content. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the animation style or timing. And that's it. You've successfully animated text in Canva like a pro. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.